In this video, we will talk about Rarible. So, what is Rarible? It is multi-chain community-centric NFT marketplace where you can create your own NFT, sell your NFT, and you can collect NFT. Now, we will talk that this is the website of Rarible, rarible.com. If you want to create NFT, sell NFT, and collect NFT, you need to go to this website. And now we will talk about the recent tweet. Here you can see one recent tweet is there. The V1 Punks community marketplace is live on Rarible. To celebrate, we asked OG holder, this is the name of OG holder, and what they love about the community, and they forever PAPS read more. So we will check another update if there or not. Okay, another update is also related to V1 Punks only. So now we will check the current price chart of Rarible. So for that we will go to CoinMarketCap, and you can see this is the official website of Rarible. Here you can get Telegram option to join them, YouTube, okay. After that Discord option, Twitter option, this option, there are many options to join them. Also if you want, you can download Rarible app on Google Play Store and also on App Store if you have iPhone. So now we will talk about Rarible NFT crypto price chart. As you can see, if I talk about trading volume, then trading volume is up with 597.8%. If I talk about global market rank, then the market rank of Rarible as on today is 521, whereas price change, if I talk about price change, it has given a return of 19.53% in last 24 hours, and the current price is $3.75. Now I will talk about the platform from where you can buy this Rarible NFT crypto. So some platform are there like Coinbase Exchange, Get.io, Kraken, Uniswap V2, Poloniex, Crypto.com Exchange, ZB.com, from where you can buy this crypto token. Also one more thing, that please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. And if you want to have an investment in any cryptocurrency, then please do your own proper market research before investing.